Good morning, guys. Merry Christmas. Is this Harmattan Christmas? Yeah, we have Harmattan Christmas. Hey, who locked this door? This door needs extra energy to unlock. Oh. Hey. Oh, lo. See Harmattan. Harmattan Christmas is to Igboland or Nigeria what a white Christmas is to the temperate regions. Yeah, Harmattan Christmas. Look at it's blowing. It's blowing. Oh my God. My Greg, good morning. Good morning. Let's come the Yamago's web. Hey, Harmattan Christmas. Look at we were cooking last night, man. Cooking last night till late, from early in the morning, washing meat. Washing this, we cooked obono soup and bitter leaf soup. It's Chinyere that was cooking anyway. I was helping her. Hey! Look at that ogoro. Look at that Harmattan. Madre mia. It's in leku. You become ashy. Like it doesn't matter how many times you apply Vaseline. You become ashy and ashy. You guys see our new garden. You see the changes in the house. Yeah. We have this carpet grass that you can see. Can you see the yellow spots? We need to water them like so often. We're already tired. I think we're going to remove them and put artificial grass. Yeah. I wanted something natural, but what can you do? What can you do? It's blowing. It's blowing. Yeah, another change. We put a carport there. Look at these black things forming here. I don't know what it is. This was why I ran away from interlocking. And look at. I don't know what this is. Anyway, some of it is the rain from this black. You know this black. What do you call it? Stone tiles makes these dark colors. Yeah, they're still doing the floor yard, hence why you still have that sand there. And then we put these wonder trees. What do you call it? Wonder trees. This one that grows really tall. Yeah, put them here. Then put that artificial carpet grass here and over there, and there's a little bit by the side as well. Hey, see that ogoro weather. Oh, see the ogoro weather. Harmattan, very dry, windy. Can be cold as well, depending. Look at that tiny one there. So, today I'm having a Christmas party for the kids. I always host a Christmas party for the kids from the kindred. Yeah, my husband's kindred. But last year we didn't hold one because, you know, we moved into the house. I was so busy, I couldn't meet up. So I told them, my kids, oh yeah, come, just come for hugs. No party this year, but this year definitely there will be a party today. So Chinyere is on her way here to continue cooking. We'll cook jollof rice as always. Party stuff. I've ordered cakes for them and photographers are coming. These are like last minute plans. Lastminute.com woman. So yeah. Hi. God, oh God. This kitchen is a mess. Let me show you the soups we cooked. Obono and bitter leaf soup. You can notice that we prepared less soup this year because last year you couldn't finish all the soup I cooked. So this year we reduced the quantity because these people were always begging them to eat. This is tomato puree, fresh tomato puree. Grace, you change to go your mind. You know they retreat.
Immediately after more this panoketa.
Yeah, you going to get more popular.
Come on, boy, my tata.
For Christmas.
Many people will come.
Mazi amo for the palo can go now.
I got more book where I'm going to because children will dirty the parlor again.
Oh, outside guy, even I just remembered, I haven't made arrangement for seats. Where the children will sit. Let me go and call my brother-in-law to go and arrange seats. That's a good thing about being in the village. Anything you need done, just the right person. Just call the right person and it will be done. Yes. This last minute seat. Yeah, I said I'm enjoying you when you're long. Hey, Nana, why won't you agree? I'm going to go shine. Hey!
God is good.
Yes. Come back for Sunday. Go just touch it and tent.
So, you show me here, because Mama be never tata today.
And each and one each. It's a wonderful. Okay, Merry Christmas to you all. I hope that wherever you are, look at that glow. This is early morning glow. Hey, look at that glow from the Igboland sun. Look at that glow. I'm not anywhere covering up, shivering. No, it's not gonna happen this year. I said it. I wanted to run away. Like somebody was telling me in one of my last videos for this December. Flo, this is delicious, but I didn't feel your vibes in this video. I told her because my lips are cold. Yeah, my lips were frozen the day I was making that video. So I told her that I want somewhere hot. I mean, Harmattan is not hot weather, but it's not cold. I mean, it's nice, perfect for the skin. You see the glow. You see that glow. But you need to rub a lot of Vaseline. Yeah, you need to rub Vaseline for Harmattan. It's the only cure, the perfect cure for Harmattan. Can you hear that? Because no serum, no moisturizer fashioned against Harmattan shall prosper. Very ashy something. Look at. You become ashy in seconds. Hey, get away here. Otowela ka ha jiwe ho ite ona. Madre mia, look at. Oh lo. Look at what they use my towel. Our Osilora has landed. Hey, it's so good. Our Osilora has landed. What time did you go home yesterday?
To 12.
To 12. Or was it not after 12? Nah. Oh dear. Today. How about food? Olololo. Because Christmas fell on a Sunday, my kids insisted that they will eat pancakes. You know, Sundays are for pancakes in my home where we live. I begged these children that this is Christmas, that routines change during Christmas, but they wouldn't budge. I had flour that I bought for meat pie, I had eggs and other pancake ingredients, so I gave in. All Christmas kana. That's how I started making pancakes for 30 family members. So on Christmas Day, oh, chayo. Osilora no munze. Ona so koto. These tomatoes are dry fast, eh? Ona ha mola too much. Can you get him surprised? Piam. Oh my god, ha. Osilora. You know see. Hey. Nakwada anu. Go and hide this meat before Ned finishes it. Because I don't want Lady will finish this meat too. Look at her toothpick that she's using to drain the thing. All in one ma. Enjoyment galore. Fanta and what?
And malt and pancake.
Oh, go on and malt.
No.
Hey. Oh lo. malt and pancake and meat. Hey, what's that? You going to remember because Chinyere. So you chazi? You chanya? No, this you had in a pan. Yeah, how many boy have in a freezer? What was space it in? What is the space in a freezer? Let's moisturize here again. Na ihe mego to wa m na aba. The rice has been pre-cooked. You see, that's how they do it when they're cooking in large quantities. They pre-cook it.
So it's not cooked.
No, pre-cooked, just half done. When the rice was done, we started preparing for the Christmas party. Yay! Olumide was in charge of RSVP and she told me she invited 25 kids. We prepared 35 packs of food just in case, because from experience, once other kids not invited hear that there's a party at Auntie Ijere's house, Ijere is my popular brother-in-law, they will come. We ended up having more than 50 guests made up of adults and children. We had to hurriedly prepare more rice packs, even served some from the food warmer. It was so much fun. I think the adults enjoy the party more than the kids because the kids entertained us so much. The full video for the party comes up next.